Hi, course creators. If you're building online courses on MasterStudy LMS, you already know how time-consuming it is to create courses one by one. Adding sections, lessons, categories, prices, it takes forever. What if you could import hundreds of courses in minutes directly from Google Spreadsheets? That's exactly what you can do in the newly updated MasterStudy LMS Course Importer plugin. So, now an additional way of importing courses is available in our upgraded plugin. Keep watching. I'm going to show you everything, including the brand new Google Sheets import that lets you push courses live without ever uploading a file. Let's get into it. Once our premium plugin is installed, you'll see a new menu item in your WordPress dashboard. Course Importer. Open it up and you'll see the brand new settings page, clean, modern, and built for speed. There are two ways to import your courses. The File Upload tab for CSV and Excel files, and the brand new Google Sheet tab, which is honestly the faster and smarter way to do it. On the right side, you'll always see the template download panel. We'll use that in a moment. Before we import anything, let's look at the template. Everything you import must follow this column format. Each row is one lesson. You fill in the course details, title, description, category, price, featured image ID, level, then the section name, then the lesson details, title, type, video source, duration, and so on. The plugin is smart enough to group lessons under the right course and section automatically. If the course already exists, it updates it. If it's new, it creates it. You only need to fill in what you have. Leave a column blank and the plugin skips it. Now here's the best part. You don't have to work in Excel. You can work right inside Google Sheets. This is the feature everyone's been asking for, and it changes how you manage courses completely. Step 1. Open the template in Google Sheets. Download the CSV template from the sidebar, then in Google Sheets, go to File, Import, upload the CSV, and you've got your template live in Google Sheets. Or if you already have your course data in a Google Sheet, just make sure the columns match the template order. Step 2. Fill in your course data. Add your courses, sections, and lessons row by row. You can work on this with your team, update it anytime, add new rows whenever you want. This is the real power. Your Google Sheet becomes your live course database. Step 3. Share the sheet. Here's the key step. Click Share in the top right. Then under General Access, change it to anyone with the link, and make sure it's set to Viewer. Click Copy Link. That's all you need. Step 4. Paste and import. Back in WordPress, open the Course Importer and click the Google Sheet tab. Paste your link into the URL field. You can also check Save this URL for next time. So next time you visit this page, it's already pre-filled. Perfect if you update your sheet regularly. Now click Import from Google Sheet and watch what happens. No waiting in the dark. A live progress bar appears and you can see every single record being processed in real time. Green means success, red, there's something to check. And just like that, all your courses, sections, and lessons are live in MasterStudy LMS. Think about what that means. Next time you update your Google Sheet, add a new course, change a price, add a section, you just come back here and hit Import again. 2 clicks to keep your entire course catalog up to date. Let's look at what was actually created. Here are all the imported course, with their categories, pricing, and publish status set exactly as specified in the spreadsheet. Open any course and the sections and lessons are all there, structured perfectly, with video types, durations, and all the metadata imported cleanly. And if you're running MasterStudy LMS Pro with the Assignments add-on, you can even import assignments with passing grades and attempt limits, all from the same spreadsheet. The MasterStudy LMS course Importer saves you hours of manual work, whether you're setting up a new site, migrating content, or managing a growing course catalog. And with the new Google Sheets import, your entire team can collaborate on course content in real time and push it live in seconds. Get the plugin, download the template, and start importing today.